Hi Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from a Western Kentucky winter wheat field where a pair of big Class 9 CLAAS Lexion 760 TerraTrack combines are harvesting the crop with 40-foot wide MacDon Draper heads. During the video, we'll take some time to watch these big machines at work out in the field. I'll climb up in the cab of one of the combines so you can see the operator's perspective of running this large harvester. I'll talk about the combine specifications, and then also we'll take a ride in a Challenger MT855B tractor following right behind the combines, planting a second crop of soybeans. There's lots of different big machines to watch, and let's head out to the field so we can see and hear all of the action. The CLAAS Lexion 760 TT TerraTrack model was manufactured by CLAAS in Omaha, Nebraska from model year 2010 all the way through model year 2019. This big Class 9 machine is powered by a Caterpillar C13 503 horsepower engine. The combine can carry 385 bushels of grain, and it can unload that grain through a 29-foot unloading auger at 3.8 bushels per second. When the 385 bushel grain tank on the CLAAS Lexion 760 TT is full, there are two amber lights that begin to flash on top of the combine's cab. That flashing light alerts the grain cart operator that it's time to pull in and unload the combine. This farm utilizes a 450 horsepower Challenger MT855 track tractor with a 1,000 bushel KINZE grain cart to haul the wheat away to the waiting trucks to haul the grain back to the farm.
Slow up.
big combines cut their way back and forth across the field harvesting the wheat, and running right behind the combines is a Challenger MT855B tractor with a 40-foot wide KINZE 3660 31-row split-row planter. This planter is putting in 15-inch rows of soybeans, and it can also plant 16 rows of 30-inch space corn. The Challenger MT855B is manufactured by the AGCO Corporation. It was produced from 2005 through 2008. It's powered by a 928 cubic inch Caterpillar diesel engine rated at 460 horsepower. We're going to take some time to see this big machine at work in the field and then climb up in the cab and visit with the farmer and talk about the GPS technology that helps guide the tractor across the field, no-tilling in the second crop of soybeans. As the tractor comes up here to the corner of the field, we'll see the planter lift up, and we can see over here on the mapping how the planter is able to mark almost every single seed it's putting down. We'll see that come up and then start again. See the red line on the monitor, and that is the virtual marker arm. This tractor and planter are equipped with marker arms. We can look out the back, but it doesn't have to use them because the guidance is able to take care of it now. We can see that the tractor doesn't have to be steered even now doing the headlands. So it looks like it's pretty handy using this Challenger, especially in the corner there. You're just able to back right in.
Oh yeah, you can maneuver the planter wherever you want to put it. These Challengers are very dynamic when it comes to doing that. Very easy to drive. And on the screen there, that red line is what they call a smart path on this monitor. Very handy. Very good feature that Ag Leader has put on there.
So you just map out your field and then it's able to take over from there?
Yep, you just drive and it puts out the next pass for you. Marks it off in the center of your last swath to the next swath.
So this lets you watch every single row.
Yes,
alerts you if there's a problem.
Yeah, that's the bar graph for the row. It's monitoring every single row. Population is coming out. And it's normal for it to bounce around like that, especially planting beans.
Now this is the middle of June and the ground's really hard and you got a lot of green wet straw out there. The combines just came through here and it takes a little bit to work through this ground.
Yeah, you see right there, we're already planted ran a little hole and then all those swaths, all those rows off, and we put them right back on, so we're not over planting.
Yeah, we can see that tractor gets right up to the edge of the field. You can watch the planter back right into that next corner. So when it swivels like that, that's just the auto steer grabbing hold and taking over.
That's me engaging a little too quick. Not close enough to the line. We got them set pretty aggressive to get right on the line.
Very impressive technology. And we can see this tractor is equipped with Chem Farm tanks. These are stainless steel tanks, and right now they are not full of anything in the spring. The farm will run starter fertilizer when they're planting corn with this tractor. I hope that you've enjoyed spending some time out in this Western Kentucky wheat field with the big CLAAS Lexion combines harvesting the crop and the Challenger tractor planting the second crop of soybeans. I'd like to hear if you use CLAAS Lexion combines on your farm or AGCO Challenger tractors. Do you use different types of track machines to harvest and plant? Tell me about them in the comment section below this video. And if you've enjoyed the video, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. As always, thank you for watching.